Wagwan people. Welcome to another episode of Driving Through Jamaica. Today we're gonna take a drive from Greater Portmore in St. Catherine to New Kingston. So we're actually gonna go to the National Housing Trust, yeah? When I get there, I'll probably park on the upper level and see if I can, get some view in and around the New Kingston area from the NHT parking lot. Alright? So yeah, it's your host 876 by birth. You can follow me everywhere. Once you type in 876 by birth, any socials supposed to pop up. Probably a couple of the pages that might be private, but right, this is a public space, right? So yeah, once we write this so we can reason freely. You don't know, the comment section and me respond. You know it go already. So yeah, people, I could drive through and see how the road stay today now. It's actually what is it? Today is what? Thursday, Zine? Yeah, so it's a Thursday. Just in the afternoon, it's like a couple minutes after 12. So I could do it now. I think I talk too long. And I know the lighting are nice. I'll see if we can get some light. I know. Yo, the light make me look angelic. And I'm no angel. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it off. Hear me say. For that still. I could do it now. So as I say, Greater Portmore, NHT. That's in New Kingston, National Housing Trust. See you when we get there, alright? And I hope you enjoy. Yeah, peeps. So this is Port Henderson Road. So for all of the people them where they overseas, the people them where haven't been back for a while, you might be looking at one and I say, wait, Port Henderson Road? Yeah man, them fix it. You get what I say? It take them a good while, but them fix it. So yeah man, just go and enjoy it. And so it's 4 lanes, 2 lane flowing in either directions, yeah? So that's it. And as you know, this little area right here is called Bayside. You have the church on the right hand side over there, and we're going around now to the infamous back road. Yeah, this is the roundabout, and they usually call right here Forum for all the Portmore people. And y'all know that the hotel is over there. So right now some houses over there, some townhouse or some beach house, and the hotel, I think they might turn it in an apartment building. So yeah man, one day we can take one up on a view over there too. But right, so now the local fish place and thing. You have Jollies on the corner right there, so you can go get your good little fishing. That this is Portmore Port Royal over our little glorious style that, you see me? Yeah man. And yeah, the infamous back road. If you know, you know, right? So right now we're into a section, a back road where them call the hip strip. The strip, no pun intended, but as I said earlier, if you know, you know. Like, who know? Well, it's curfew time right now in Jamaica, but if you drive past right there, so anytime of night time, early morning, any day of the week, rain or shine, you know what time it is. Panda liquor stripper right there, so right? As I say, it's early afternoon right now, so there's no activity, but yeah, let's just say the night workers are out in the night time. Alright? Yeah man. And right now we're about to enter the toll road. So this is the Portmore leg of the highway. And as you know, we're coming from back road, so we're about to enter the toll. Well, we're about to approach the toll. Alright? So it cost $260, like 260 Jamaican dollars for class 1 vehicles. Class 1 vehicles are like cars. So like that car in front of me, yeah, those cars are classified as class 1. Class 2 would probably be like SUVs and stuff, and class 3 will be like passenger buses, trucks, those sort of stuff, you know. So yeah, $260 to travel on the Portmore leg of the highway. So people, you see this corner here where you're gonna head up to 3 miles? You have to be careful coming around here, because you see those guys, yeah, they're actually windscreen wipers, right? And a whole lot of the times they're in the road. And I mean, you're coming off a highway, you understand? Even though there's a traffic light right there, you're still coming off a highway. So you can only imagine what can happen if you come around that corner and they're in the road. So guys, just be careful, all right? So we're now approaching the 3 mile section, all right? If you take the left lane where that truck is, it will take you down through 3 miles, right? But this is called the overpass. So if it is that you're not gonna go onto Spanish Town Road or go, you know, whether you're going to Spanish Town or downtown, if you're going straight up Hagley Park Road heading towards Half a Tree, like I'm doing right now, this is what you can take. As I said, it's called the overpass. It's a newly built section of the road. I think this was one of the government's huge project that they were working on, and it's finally completed. Well, I don't think it's fully completed yet, but for the most part it's probably like 90% done. I think they only have like some decoration or something like that to do, you know, like plant trees or maybe do some stonework or something on the road. But yeah, that's the overpass. And right now we're heading up to Waltham Park Road. So this traffic light here, that's the intersection Hagley Park Road and Waltham Park Road, okay? So right now we're on Hagley Park Road. And again, for the people who haven't visited here in a long while, all you foreigners, yeah, this is Hagley Park Road. You remember Hagley Park Road used to be like 2 lanes and it used to be filled with traffic. Well, sometimes there's traffic, but this is the road right now. Brand new road, yes, built by the Chinese. You know, another huge project again by the government of Jamaica. And yeah, so they had to like take land from like all these business places on the side of the road. They had to take some of the lands from some of them, you know. And so they went on a huge rebuilding of walls and all those stuff. But yeah, and it stretches all the way, go up to in Half a Tree. Yeah, but as I said, we're heading to New Kingston, so you know, Jamaicans, we have to take like a shortcut, you understand? Yeah, man. So I'm not even sure the name of this road right here, but I know it's gonna take us to Chisholm Avenue. Alright, so anybody know the name of this road can just put it in the comment section, because I take this road a lot. I take this road a lot, but I don't know the name of this road, and I've been taking this road for years now, but I don't know the name of that road. Yeah, so this is Chisholm Avenue, and persons who are from Kingston, you know Chisholm Avenue, you know its reputation and all that, right? Yeah, and it's gonna take us out onto another popular road, which is called Maxfield Avenue. And again, persons from Kingston, not even persons from Kingston alone, but people, you know Maxfield Avenue, right? You know its reputation already, all right? Yeah. Okay, peeps, so we're pretty much on the outskirts of New Kingston right now. We're actually on Halfway Tree Road, right? And where we're actually going, it's right around the corner. And you know what? The building, the perimeter fencing of where we're going, the National Housing Trust, the perimeter fencing is on my left hand side right there. So you look in the corner, you see that I think it has a blackish fence. Yeah, that's it. So right, the blue wall with the black fencing, that's where we're going. But we're gonna go around because I want to see if I can go inside the parking area, go on the top level, and see if I can get a view of Kingston or New Kingston area. I'm not too sure if we're gonna get a really good view because of where I might get a parking. I'm not too sure, but let's see what happens. But yeah, on your left hand side right there, that's Emancipation Park. Yeah, but this is pretty much New Kingston. This is Knutsford Boulevard, and we're gonna make this left right here. Yeah, and as you see, that's a Marriott courtyard. Yeah, this is a newly built hotel too, you know. Yeah, and our destination is straight ahead. So yeah, all of you foreigners who have no house or yard, you know that place at all. Housing trust. This is if you did get a loan from them, but yeah. Let's check out the parking and see what go on for parking, you know what I mean? By the way, it's such a beautiful day here today in Kingston. Like, just look at it. It's so beautiful. Like, the sun is out. And as usual, it's Jamaica, so there's a nice cool breeze blowing. I don't mean to make anyone feel jealous or anything, but I'm just saying, like, I don't know if you can remember the nice cool breeze there. Yeah, you understand. People who live afar and don't even take a trip come back to Jamaica, man. Make some breeze blow pound and make some seawater wash over on the body. You understand? Yeah, man. So let me just see if I can park properly right here, and then yeah, we'll get to it. See if we can get a little view. All right. So seems like it's gonna be a rainy day here in the Half a Tree area, Kingston, Upper St. Andrew area. You can see it's cloudy up there. Yep. Well, as usual, this is like Kingston, like uptown Kingston and St. Andrew. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is as usual. Like, in the afternoons you always get some afternoon showers over here. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, when we were coming in, we actually passed a Marriott. It's a fairly new hotel. I think it's a Marriott Courtyard. Yeah, fairly new hotel here in Kingston. Probably been around, I don't think it's 10 years old, maybe 8 years the most. But yeah. Yeah, you know what? I don't think that's a mutual life building, because looking at it, I think the mutual life building is somewhere across. Yeah, there is a mutual life building. That one was mutual life. Yeah. Right. So this one here says flow on top. So yeah, it wasn't the mutual life building. I think this is what, Half a Tree Road. Yeah. Yeah, that's Half a Tree Road up there. You see? Yeah, that's Half a Tree Road. But anyways guys, as I said, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far to the video, thank you for watching. As usual, your comments, I welcome all comments, and if it's something that you're going to criticize about, just try to keep it clean or positive in a way. Yeah, but I welcome all comments. So thank you for watching, and you all know what to do. So until next time, when we take another drive around Jamaica, I'll see you, okay?